Hello children, today we will discuss about the HCF and LCM. Okay, so HCF means what? What is HCF? This is a highest common factor. Okay, highest or greatest, whatever it is, highest common factor. Okay, what is LCM? LCM in sense least common multiple. Least common multiple. See, HCF, LCM. Okay, so HCF means what? Highest common factor. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, what is the highest? Where it is coming? Least? Everything I will show you. HCF. Okay, so now I am taking very small number here, 12,8. Okay, now I am going to write the factors of 12. HCF I am going to find. Okay, highest common factor. Everything is there in the heading itself. See, listen now. 12 is there. So 12, what are the factors of 12, ma? Tell me. This is 2. Yeah, 2, 3, 2, 3. 4 table it will come, 2 table will come, 3 table will come, 4 table will come, 5 table it will not come, 6 table, yes, it will come. Now that's it. Okay, yes. So 2, 3, 4 and 6 are the factors of 12. Now 18 also I am going to write the factors. Now tell me, 2 table it will come, yes, 3 table also will come, 4 table will not come, right? Yes. 4 table will not come, 5, 6 it will be, that's it. And then what is that? 9 also will come. 9 2s are 18, right? So 9 will also come, 3 6 are 18, yeah. So these are all the factors of this 18. Okay, I didn't miss any number, right? So 2, 3, 4, 6 and 2, 3, 6 and 9 for 18. Yes, right. So now you tell me highest common factor for HCF in sense what is meant by common? The common number, very same number. Okay, what is the common number here? Very big number, it will be like 6, right? Yeah, for this common number is what? Again here also 6 is there. So 6 is the HCF, correct? What is that? HCF is 6. Highest, this is highest common factors. Highest means very big number. Greatest. Yeah, it is the greatest. I have checked it. Common means what? It is a common. And through factors I am getting the common numbers in the factors, the highest numbers. Okay. So HCF is equal to 6. Okay. I will check in the prime factorization method is there. That also I have to cross check it. Okay. So 12 I have to write. This is first of all I have to take this 2. 6 2s are 12. This is 2. 3 2s are 6. Again this is 3 1. Okay. Then again what is the 18? 2 9 2s are 3 3s are. Right. So what is this 12 here? 2 into 2 into 3. What is that 18 here? 2 into 3 into 3. So what are the common here? Wait, I will write it one more time here because you can find it very easily. 2 into 3 into 3. Right. So 2 is a common and 3 is a common. So HCF is 6. See, even I got here as a 6. Yeah. So HCF by prime factorization method is this one. So where is the proof in sense? This is a proof. In sense 12 I am writing the factors and 18 I am writing the factors and I am taking the common highest number. That is the HCF. You understand, guys? So this is the HCF. You can solve many numbers. Yeah, you can solve HCF through combination of two numbers. You will be understanding very easily. Okay. Now LCM. Even the same I can take the numbers, ma. 12, 18. Right, I will take the same number. Okay, for better understanding I will take the same number. So now you have to check it. This is least common multiples. What are the multiples of 12? Tell me. 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. Yeah, and 12 fours are 48. It will be going on. What are the then? 18. Multiples you have to write it. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. And 18 threes are 54. It will be going on. Yeah, multiples I have to write it. Least means in sense, what is the least? It's going on, very big number it will going on, but it never stops. But factors can stop, it ends somewhere. But here in the multiples it never ends. So now you check, it is the least common factor. N numbers are there, n numbers in sense it will be going on continuously. Okay, but least is what now here? LCM is 36. The least common multiples. Now I will check with the prime factorization method. Okay, now 12. Again the same, right? 6 twos are 12. Again 2, 3. Again 18 here. Again this is 2, 9, 3, 3. So 12 I can write. How can you write, ma? This is 2 into 2 into 3. 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, this is, and this is here. LCM, how can you find? First of all, you have to pull it out the common things. I am pulling it all the common things. The remaining is what? That is also included. That is also included in LCM. Now 2 into 3. See, this for this common 2, 1. This common 3 is 1, 3. This 2 and 3 I have included. Now you check. 2 threes are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 threes are 36. 36 here also I got it. Here is a proof. Okay, so you need to find it. Where I am getting this 30. Simply you should not method only. You just don't think like that. Okay, where is the proof? In sense, this is a proof. 12 multiples you are writing and 18 multiples you are writing, and you are pulling out only the least common multiples from this series, right? This is a LCM. If you really like this video, you have to do these sums. Okay, find the LCM and HCF. The same number you can do it. Okay, the first sum is 28, 18. Second sum 20, 30. Third sum 24, 36. And fourth one is 7, 8. And fifth one is 12, 16. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you, 7, 8 is there. One is a prime number and another is an even number here. I mean prime number, right? 7 and 8. But 7 and 8 having a factor. What is a factor? For common factor is there. Yes, all the numbers having the common factor as 1. That you should not forget it. So the common factor for this number is 1. 7 and 8, the common factor is what? 1. LCM is whatever normally you can do, right? The prime factorization method you can do, or otherwise you write the series of that, then you write it. Okay guys. Okay guys, hope you understood the LCM and HCF. Thank you guys. Hello children, today I am going to do some of the problems in the factorization. Last videos and all, if you have seen in the factorization, I have solved many sums and I have done many activities also in the factorization. You can see in the I button. Okay. Now I am going to solve the factorization in very shortcut method. It is in the 10 seconds you can solve the method, this method. Okay, you just check here. So I will do like 5 to 6 problems today. So you will be getting easily now. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is there. So how normally you can do the factorization here? It will be like 1 into 6, 1 is there, right? The coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 6 is 6 it is. It is a splitting the middle term method, right? So 6 it will be, okay. So 1 into 6 is 6. The factors I have to write. You have to get this 5. Whenever adding those two factors, you will be getting a 5. When I multiplying those two factors, you will be getting a 6. So this way you have to pick it up the factors, right? So I am going to take here like 2 and 3. It is right. So 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Yeah. So this pair is right. Because you are not supposed to take like this. 1, 6, you should not take it. Why? Because 1 into 6 is 6, correct. But you are not supposed to take like this, right? 6 minus 1 is 5. But because if I put minus here, so minus 6 will come. So it is not applicable. You understand? So 2 and 3 is correct. Those two factors I can take it. Okay guys. Now normally you can do like this, right? So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 and x you can take it and like this you can write now. So this is 2 and you can take it as a common. For this I can take it as a common like x. Again for this take it as a 2. So again x plus 3 into x plus 2. So this way you can do it, right? If it is 0, if it is there, how can you write it, the x value? X is equal to minus 3 comma minus 2. These are the value of x, you can write it. This is a normal method which you have done in the school. Okay. Now what I am going to do here is, in very like less than 10 seconds you are going to solve. How? Listen now. So this same again, 1 into 6 is 6. Okay, same again, 2 into 3, again 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. So first of all the separation of the middle term, whatever doing in the last method, the same thing only you are going to do here also. Okay. Then the first step what you are going to do here means, this 2 is there, right, minus 2 you do it, 3 is there, right, minus 3 you keep it. So what is the coefficient of x square means? By 1 only, no issues, no change at all. So the x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. See, very easily in the first step in onwards, the first step itself I got the answer. I didn't want the 3 or 4 steps I have done before, right? So you don't want this. So directly I have written the answer here. Okay, the next sum you check. Really guys, it works out. You check it. Now the second sum is 6x square plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So what you will do? The coefficient of x is 6 into minus 4. You have to take it. So minus 24. Am I right? So how can you do it? Minus 24 you have to take the split the middle term. So this will be like minus 3 and 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yeah, I can take the factor. Yeah. Okay, fine. The 12 and the 2 if it is there. No. 12 minus 2 is, it will not come. No, this is not come. So minus 3 into 8 is correct. Yeah. So next step what I told you here. Next step is minus 3 means plus 3. Plus 8 means minus 8. That's it. Then after that you have to divide the coefficient. It's over. That's it. So the answer is 1 by 2. The answer is, so 1 by 2 comma x is equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 4 by 3. Yes, really na? Less than 10 seconds we got the value of x here, right? Yeah. Okay, the next question is 18x square, little bit bigger number now. Okay, 18x square plus 9x minus 35 equal to 0. 18 into 35. 18 into 35 means, see, listen guys. You don't multiply, 18 into 35 will be 630. You don't want to multiply, again a little big number, again you have to separate. So don't want this and all. What is 18? How can you write it? 3 into 6. This is 7 into 5. Correct? So 3 into 6 and 7 into 5. So you can take the combinations, many combinations you can take it like a trial and error method to get the 9. Correct. Okay. So 6 into 5 is 30 and 3 into 7 is 21. So 30 minus 21 is what? 9. So I am getting here 18 into 35. I am getting here. So 30 into minus 21. 30 into minus 21. 30 minus 21 is 9. Yes. So next step what we have to do? You have to change the sign. So minus 30, then it is 21. Then after that you have to divide the coefficients. So by 18 by 18. So minus 30 by 18 is like, what is the value here? 6 3s are, 10 3s are, 5 2s are 10, 3. So the answer is so here minus 5 by 3. The next 21 by 18. This is 7 3s are and 6 3s are 7 by 6. So these are the x values. Okay. So whenever you have a very big number, okay, you don't multiply it and again separation is taking long time. So don't do that. 18 you just separate it and 35 you just separate it. Then you do the combinations, trial and error method, you can do it and get the answer very easily. Okay guys, the next sum. Now 3x square plus 12x minus 36 equal to 0. This question you see, all the numbers is divisible by 3, correct? So you have to, first of all, you have to reduce the term, reduce the quadratic equation into lower term. In sense, 3 divided by 3 is x square, 12 by 3 is 4x, minus 13 by 3 is minus 12. You just reduce it. Okay, so whenever you are doing like this also the same answer, even if you are doing like this also very same answer. Okay, now 1 into minus 12, correct? So what you will do? Minus 12. What are the factors of a minus 12 here? I will be getting like 6 into minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So once you practice lot of sums, automatically you will be getting the answer very easily. So you have to practice more in the factorization. Right, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes. So next step what? You have to change the sign. 6 to minus 6 minus 2 to 2. Then you have to 1 only coefficient. So by 1 also no changes. So x is equal to minus 6 comma 2. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you guys. Here only the zeros you are getting. In sense x values you are getting. Right. If you want to get like factors, in sense you have to take it like this, x plus 6 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Then you will be getting x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 2. Easy, right? Factors means this is and x value means this is. Yeah. Then the last sum. The very last sum is here 3x square plus 10x minus 8, yeah, equal to 0. In the quadratic equation I want to do the factorization here. So this very same method you also do with me now. 3 into minus 8, so it will be like minus 24. Okay, you have to get it 10 now, right? So what you will get here? 12 2 is a minus 2, right? 12 into 2 is equal to minus 2. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 again. Okay. So here minus 12 plus 2, you have to change the sign here. Then by 3 by 3. By 3 here by 3. So the answer is minus 4 comma 2 by 3. Yes, x value is minus 4 comma 2 by 3. Ma'am, I want the factor, ma'am. I don't want the zeros. I don't want the x value. In sense, very easy it is. Don't worry about it. So x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 2 by 3, right? You just take like this. X plus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 4 is one factor. Again, one more it is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 then. So you just check it out, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. I got the value. Right? So factors means you can write like this. If we want to value of x means the value is what you are getting in shortcut method, directly you can write it. Okay guys. That's it guys. Hope you guys understood. Thank you. To get more updates, please like, share and subscribe Vidya Tuition Center Facebook page and YouTube channel. We are conducting online classes for all standards and all subjects. Please call us at 98861 34547 and WhatsApp call at 89711 28992. Thank you.